Hello friends, welcome to my Cyber Predator channel. So guys, in today's video, I will show you that how to share a particular file or a particular folder from our host machine to our guest machine. So in this case, we have Windows 10 as our host machine and Kali Linux as our guest machine. So let's get started. So our first step is to create a folder which will be shared in our guest machine. So I will create a folder at my documents location which will be named as demo. In that demo folder, I will create a file, a simple text file which will be named as test. I will enter some content in that. So now we have successfully created a folder. Now the next step is to configure the settings. So to configure the settings, just open your VMware workstation and go to the guest machine in which the particular folder will be shared. So in this case, we have Kali Linux machine. Just go to its settings bar and go to options menu. Here you will see a particular option which is shared folders. Just open that and the folder sharing here is already disabled. We want to change its state to always enabled. Just change its state to always enabled. And here you want to give the path of the folder which will be shared from our host machine to our guest machine. So just add that path. Just browse here and select the folder which will be shared. So the folder which will be shared is at our documents location, demo folder. Okay, the path is already set now. Now we just want to forward this. Okay, here are two attributes. One is enable this share and the next is read only. So basically we will select enable this share because we will be giving the full permissions to our guest machine to configure that file or configure to that folder. So we will just finish this. Now our settings are ready. Just okay it, which will be applied the settings successfully, and just power on this virtual machine. So we have finally entered in our operating system or our guest operating system, that is Kali Linux. Now we will check the contents of our demo file and the actual location where it is saved, and we will cat the file which was saved in that demo folder, that is test.txt, and we will see its contents, means we will verify that actually the file or the folder is actually or not in our guest operating system from host operating system. So basically the location in which the shared folders are saved is at mount folder. So let's go in that folder. So you will see a folder named HGFS in the mount folder. So basically let's go in that HGFS. So you will see the folder which was shared from our host operating system to guest operating system, that is demo. So let's go in that. And we will see a file which was shared from our host operating system, that is test.txt. Let's check its content. Test.txt. So the contents are hello and welcome, and let's check in our host operating system what was the contents we saved. So the contents saved were hello and welcome. So basically our files and our folder is actually shared in our guest operating system from our host operating system. So this is an easy process to share your folders or files from host operating system to guest operating system. Because if you doesn't do this process, you have to externally save the particular file or folder in a pen drive and externally attach it to your guest operating system and then copy and paste your means required files and folders. That is a complex process. This means the process which I have showed you is an easy method. You only need to do some configuration and some folder creations, and that which is easy and which will make your usage easy and which will make your process reliable. So I hope you have got the usage and knowledge of these processes. I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel, which will motivate me a lot. So goodbye and thank you.